everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Thanksgiving video, I'll be showing you how to draw the Pumpkin Pieju versus the cooked turkey Kaiju in a surprise fold. So I hope you follow along and enjoyed this video today. Now to start off with our surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to line up the corners and I'm going to give it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up my corners one more time, and I'm going to give it another fold down the middle. Now, when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines to show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for that fun surprise. Now, to start off with this, let's begin over here with our Pumpkin Pieju. So I'm going to begin by making a circle for the eye right here. So we're just going to make a nice little circle shape. But then let's go ahead and make a little line that's going to come down and up. Then I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. I'll make it a little bit pointier at the bottom too. Next, let's draw a little line that's going to come above this. Now, right here for the eyebrow, let's make a line that's going to come up and then down. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and will come down to about here. Then I'm going to bring a line that's going to come over and then down here. Let's make a little dot colored in for the nose. And we'll make a little curve right around here. Now let's make the Cool Whip on here. So let's make a line that's just going to curve up and around. Then we'll make another one that's going to kind of curve back and then it's going to come down. We'll bring this in. And then we'll make another curve right here. Now starting here, let's bring this line up. We'll make another bump that comes up and down. And we'll make another line that's going to come up and then over. Then we'll just connect it here. Now, starting here, let's make the crust. So let's make a bump. We'll make another one here. We'll make one here. And then we'll make a nice big curve right here. Then let's make a little kind of C shape in there. Next, starting here, let's draw this line down. We're going to come over and then let's connect it right here. Then starting here, let's make a line that's just going to kind of come down and in. I'm going to make a little line that comes down for a foot. One here, and then one more right here. Next, we're going to bring this down and then connect. Now, for part of the crust, let's come down. Let's bring this over. Let's jump over, and we're going to bring this all the way towards the top up here. Then let's make another foot. We're going to curve this line down. We're going to make a point here and then a point right here. Then we're going to bring this up. Now, over here, let's draw our roast turkey Kaiju. So I'm going to begin right here by making a line that's just going to kind of go down and then up. Then we're going to curve a line right here. We'll make a little line here. Then we're going to make a little sad face and or smiley face. We're going to color in most of that, leaving it a little bit white. Next, let's bring a line that's just going to kind of come up. And then we're going to bring this down here. I'm going to curve this line over here. We'll make a line that's going to curve in, and then we're going to put a few zigzags on it, and then we're going to curve this back up. I'm going to make this line come down, and I'm going to make a bump, and then another bump here for the toes, and then I'm going to bring this up. Let's draw another one here. We're going to come down, make a couple zigzags and up. Make this line come down and over, and make a little bump. Then another one here, and we're going to bring this up. Then right here, I'm going to curve this line down. And then I'm going to make a little curvy line here for the tail. We're going to make a line up here for the eyebrow. And then we're going to put 2 dots here for the nose. Then we're going to make some spikes back here. So we're just going to make some little bumps all around here and then down the tail. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we open this up, we have 2 halves of our characters. So let's start over here with our Pumpkin Pieju. So I'm going to begin by bringing this line down, and then I'm going to come back up for some teeth. And then I'm going to keep doing this. I'm going to go down and up, down and up, down and up, and then I'm going to bring it up to here. I'll do the same thing up here. I'm going to go up and down, and we're just going to make a few points here. Then we'll bring this line down. I'm going to bring this line down, and then we'll also bring this line down to connect. Now, inside of here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to go down or up and down and then back up. And then we're just going to redraw this like this for a tongue. Then we're going to make like his blast of like Cool Whip coming out of here. So we're going to make some kind of rounded, pointed little shapes like this for his little Cool Whip blast. And we're going to bring this back. I'm going to draw a line here. We're going to come down and jump over here. And then another line here. We're just going to kind of jump over this and bring it down. Now, over here, let's work on our roast turkey kaiju. So I'm going to start right here, and we'll start here in the front. I'm going to bring this line down and up, and then down and up here. I'm going to bring this line down, and then we're going to go up and down, up and down, up and down, and connect. I'm going to bring this line down. Then I'm going to curve a little line that's just going to kind of come down like this for the wing. We're going to bring this up. Then I'm going to connect this down to here. Next, we're going to make some little bumps here, right across here for the spikes. I'm going to make a little tongue here. We're just going to go up and down and back up, and then we'll just redraw that shape. And then I'm going to make like a fire blast coming out of here. So I'm going to make some more zigzag lines, and we're going to make it run right into that Cool Whip blast over here. Next, I'm going to draw a line here, and we're just going to kind of jump over these, and a second line right here. And then the final thing over here, I'm going to add just a small tail over here. So I'm just going to bring a little line up and down, and then bring it back here for some detail. And then if you want to, you can always go and add like some little details around the eyes if you want to, just to make it look a little bit more detailed. And there you go. There is your drawing of the Pumpkin Pieju versus the cooked turkey Kaiju. So when we have it all folded up, they're staring each other down. And then when we open it, they are using their blasts at each other. A big Thanksgiving food showdown. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.